let's talk about creating a post. Now, there's a lot of really cool things that you can do in here, whether you're using Canva or another software and you're designing your post. You'll see we use Canva. And when we use Canva, we do what we call bulk exports. We bring out all of our images. But if you're just doing a single image here or there, that's great too. That's what this video is going to show you. You'll see all the benefits of the single post option. So let's go ahead and open up our planner. And I'm just going to select a random date here. Let's go ahead and select the 28th. When you add your new post, you can do it from the calendar like I just did, or you can just, I'm going to hit the blue arrow back. You could just say new post and create a new post. I like to look at my calendar. So I like to work directly from the calendar when I'm creating single post settings. So that way I can see how my calendar is filling up. Let's go ahead and click on a date. And this is the day I want to post. You'll see right here the post to where you can select the social account. We talked earlier in the main dashboard settings about grouping and accounts. You can add a group right here by selecting add group. And if you want to add a group, you can say add accounts to this group. You'll see that the ones that are grayed out, if you cannot add an account to that group, this means you've already selected it inside another group. So you want to select the ones that are not already in a group. So I'm going to select this one. This is my SAS Pro. Let's go ahead and set this as a group and we'll call this SAS Pro. So we got Facebook, and that's really it. And we'll go ahead and create it. So when you see, if I just add one, that doesn't create a group. So it's not giving me an option. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we have a couple of social profiles, and you'll see the create button show up. So you can see I've now added two Facebook groups to this group name. Obviously, they're two different ones. One we manage for business and one we manage for SAS Pro digital media marketers. So I probably wouldn't want to do this. But if you had a Facebook page, an Instagram page, that's how you would create a group. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel, but that is how you create groups. If you don't want to work with groups, you can just come in here and select specific profiles. So let's say I want to do this post on Google Business, maybe in this Facebook group, and maybe in this Facebook group. So you can see I can select individually or I can create a group. Now, if you don't have any groups, you can hit add group, add all your groups, and then call it a day on your groups. If you don't have any groups, you won't see them here. You can easily add them. I also like to group by Instagram and different platforms if I am grouping. But for the majority of what I do, it's bulk uploads. So I bulk upload all my Instagrams, I bulk upload my Facebooks because Instagrams, you can't put links in them. There's more hashtags. And my Facebook and my Twitter and my LinkedIn, I can do those as the same post with links and all those kind of cool details. With Twitter, it is about links and content, but you only have so many characters. So again, you can create your groups however you see fit and whatever works best for you. Or you can just go in and select a specific profile, and there you have it. And that is where you tell it to post to. So now that we know where we're going to post to, now it's what we post. Inside here, you're going to see the type of content. This is your comments, your hashtags, your emojis. We can say, this is a fun social media post, hashtag social media, whatever we're doing. All right. Or we can just leave it as the comments. If we're not sure what to write, guess what? There's an content AI generator right here. Remember, we talked about content AI. It does pull from your credits, but let's say the post is about March Madness special. Provide features. We're going to say buy yearly, get 3 months free. And then we'll say keywords. I don't know. Let's say software, social media. What's my writing tone? Let's say excited. It's going to submit 3 variations. Oh, let me do my keywords. Enter keywords. Let's just say social media, software. I guess we'll just say social media. There it is. Okay. Social media, enter, software, enter. What other keywords would we want? Special, promo, enter. All right. So let's go ahead and generate the content. Once we click on the generate content, it's going to come up with three cool options. Which one do I like? It's March Madness at company. Get 3 months free when you buy our social media software for a whole year. Hurry and take advantage of this special promo. All right, that's 34 words. This is March Madness. Get 3 months free. Hurry and take advantage of the special. It's March Madness free with your yearly purchase of amazing social software. Don't miss out on this special promo. All right, so let's go ahead and copy. We'll pick one of these. Let's go ahead and hit copy. Look what it did, and I'm going to hit continue. If I want to edit this, maybe I wanted to do something a little bit different. I could edit that text. Maybe I say 3 months free. Maybe I say get 3 months free with your yearly emission. Maybe I want to do a couple of exclamation points because I'm excited. Let's go ahead and hit continue. And look what happened. That AI just got posted into my awesome content type. Yay! So now I have my hashtags, I have everything. Maybe I want to add an emoji. Well, down in here is where you have all of your editing tools. So some platforms might allow me to bold this. It's March Madness. Maybe I want to do something about March. Maybe I want to do something fun, adding an emoji. Let's do celebrate. Let's do a little party hat. Awesome. And then there's my emoji. I already added hashtags because I allowed the AI generator to help me with those hashtags. But what's great in here is I'm going to skip over these two because we're going to get right back to it. You have a hashtag here. You can create groups of hashtags. Let me give you an example. So right here, when I go to my drop down, you'll see I have selected saved hashtags. When I click on this, you'll see I have Instagram hashtags, Instagram 1, Instagram 2, and business. So if I click business, or you could call it brand, and I click brand, it's going to pull my brand hashtags. And I've had it only to select one. So I want one of my brand hashtags here. Okay, how did I do that? So first, let's go ahead and enter a name, and I'll say brand. And then I would enter my hashtags. Hashtag social media, hashtag schedule and post, or whatever, hashtag Facebook posts. So I just created all these awesome hashtags, and then I can say the number of hashtags allowed to randomly select from. So of these, I want it to randomly select just two of these hashtags. So when I come down here and I hit save and apply, now in my drop down, I have a brand hashtag. When I click on brand, you'll see all my social posts. I can edit that. And if I want to just have it just be 1, 2, or 5, I can come in here and edit it. I can add a new hashtag and I can save and apply it. Now you'll see it added those two hashtags because I told it to add two hashtags. This is a phenomenal tool when you're posting on Instagram, when you need those bulk hashtags, this 10 to 20, you want to be able to create those hashtags. You could have hashtags for Twitter, hashtags for whatever. You can go in and name all of your hashtags. You can have hashtags for concepts, brands, or top hashtags. Then we have over here a little tag. This is custom values. This is coming soon. So we'll stay tuned. That'll be a whole new video when we talk about custom values, and you're going to love it. You'll see we're bringing in custom values. We're bringing in awesome things that we can pull in and that you will be able to use in your posting. Now, we've got all of our content type. We've added emoji, we've bolded some stuff, and we've added our hashtags. We've added some AI content. And of course, if you're watching this video, there may be tons more stuff. So be sure to subscribe so you can get information on the latest new things when it comes to tagging and all kinds of new stuff. And then right here, this is where you will select your image or your video. One of the things I want to talk about real quick before we jump in here is posting a follow-up comment. What is this? Most of you utilizing Twitter know that it's good to do a post and then do a longer follow-up comment. So if you're posting to your Twitter account or any account, which really right now it's Twitter, add that extra comment here. That way it'll save in the Twitter and post right after your post. So it'll do a post and it'll be your additional comment. That's what that's for right here. Let's go ahead now and select an image. This is your image library. You may not have anything in it yet. You may have a few things. You can see we have a lot of things. I recommend creating a folder for anything that you're uploading into your media library from Canva or whatever. I might create a folder that says social media. I might create a folder that says social media images, maybe a folder that says social media videos, and then you can have everything easily organized. Now, in your social media planner, when you create a folder, if you've looked at our 365 social planning tool, you've seen the calendar so you can see we do engaging, motivational. So we'll create folders based on those types of posts so we can manage it. But let's say you just want to post, it's ice cream day, and you want to just post a picture of an ice cream. Look what you can do right here. We're going to search our media, and right here, you'll see the search and you'll see all your media. This is all your media. This is your backgrounds, Unsplash, or Pixabay. So let's say I just want to find a picture of ice cream because it's ice cream day. Look at this. I'll just pick the first one I see. We'll go ahead and add it. And there is my ice cream. Now, don't be too confused when it stretches this just a little bit. It will give you a warning sign if you have an image that does not fit the correct parameters of posting in Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You will get an error and you will want to resize that image, which we use Canva for. If you want to add a video, when you click on video, we don't see any videos in here, but let's just say we're trying to search a video. Here is a video. You'll see that it's loading up the video right here, and you'll see that Facebook, Google, it only allows one. So I've got to select the one that I'm going to use, and we'll go ahead and update the media. It'll delete that other one. And now my video is here and ready to be seen. Now, remember, you can do multiple images, which creates an awesome carousel on Facebook and Instagram, or you could just do one image. But for the video, you got to only add one video at a time. You can't do a video and an image. That helps you manage your images and video. You get an idea. Right here, when I click on this, it's going to preview the awesome video that I just uploaded. And I can choose a custom thumbnail. So if I want this to be my custom thumbnail, you'll see it's highlighted blue with a little blue box around it. And now I have a thumbnail for my video. If I want to add a custom thumbnail, guess what I can do? Go pick a different thumbnail and I can let this be my thumbnail. And look at that's the thumbnail. But when you click on it, that's going to play my video. So now I have my custom thumbnail for my awesome video. Again, really easy and fun to use. Now, we have Reels and TikToks coming. Remember, you can post to your personal TikTok. You will be able to post to Reels and Instagrams. Just remember, as a social media expert, I'm going to always recommend that you submit your video content directly from your phone. I'm always going to recommend that because if we send you the image or you get the image or the video, you really want to add those viral songs to your post. So right here, I just got a little error and I wanted to show you, it says Facebook group will not support this thumbnail in the video. So it's going to give you little warnings in the videos that will tell you that it's not going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save changes. I'll pick the original one. And now I don't have an error. Now that you've got your social media picked, your type of content, you've played around with the emojis and hashtags, you selected your image or video, maybe you've created a follow-up comment for your Twitter, and you've connected your content AI option that you picked. Now it's time to either post, put it in a draft, or get it approved. So you can click save for later and it will save as a draft. So maybe you are still working on this post and you want to save it for later. You can go in and save it. It'll show up in your draft and I'll show you here in just a second. But for posting, when I click on this, I have the option to post it right now. I have the option to schedule a post or send for post approval. If you haven't seen the post approval video, be sure to check that out. If you don't like what you just did, you can just hit delete it. But what I like to do is I will schedule my post. Here's my awesome calendar. Let's schedule this for the 31st. Let's schedule this at 2:02 p.m. And I'm going to go ahead and hit schedule. And it is officially scheduled when I go to my March 31st. Here it is right here, scheduled and ready to go. And look what I can do. I can edit it. I can clone it. Maybe I want to recycle it, do another post again. Maybe it's a promotion I'm working and I want to just clone it and change the image. Look what you can do. You can just clone it. And let's go ahead. Let's say we want to take the video away. Let's do the March Madness image instead. Remove the video. I can leave all the comments and everything the same. And guess what? I can go in and schedule the post on a different day for the promo and I'm done. So, really easy to schedule a single post. Let's say I schedule this post for the 31st. Let's go into the next month and it'll show right here, the 31st. And I didn't want to do this. Look what I can do. I can drag and drop my post wherever I want. So I will put this single post on this day, and then we'll see that it is scheduled and ready to go. And you can tell because it's got that little bitty watch right there that has a little orange thing that tells you it's scheduled. Now, remember, I showed you on your dashboard. Let's go ahead and go back. Use the little blue arrow in the top left, and we can come down here for scheduled posts, and you'll see everything I've got scheduled: the video, the content, and the promotional image post. I can easily come in here, edit it, or delete it if I change my mind. So I can come in and see what's going on. I'll go ahead and delete this because we decided we're not going to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that post and it's gone from my scheduled post. It's that easy. So when you schedule your posts out, you could have them all here, or you could do what I do is I love opening my planner and dragging and dropping different posts wherever I want to post and schedule them. And that's how easy it is to do a single post. Remember, you can go into the planner and post right from the calendar, or you can just come in here and create a new post and tell it when and where you want to post. It's that easy. You should feel really comfortable about creating a single post. If you're interested in doing bulk posts or more posts, I strongly recommend watching the bulk post video and learning how to import CSVs if you do a lot of social posting. If not, it's so easy to come in here and schedule and plan, and definitely use your social planning software and definitely utilize a social planner spreadsheet or a planner to help you plan these out so you can easily get in, put your content in, schedule your post, and move on. So, as a social media manager, if you're an agency, I really recommend doing bulk posting and watching the bulk posting video. That way, you can bring in posts and schedule out months and months in advance. And that sums it up for scheduling a single post. And by opening your planner or selecting the new post button, checking and seeing what you've scheduled and what you've posted always at the bottom. And always make sure that you're looking for the little clocks and the little green check marks to know that everything's been scheduled and done and working appropriately. If you haven't checked out our bulk video, be sure to check out the bulk video. And we've got lots of tips and tricks on how to utilize Canva, sizing graphics, and all kinds of things that will help you understand how to size those images so you don't get those errors. So be sure to check out the image sizing video. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoy utilizing the social media planner as much as we. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you're notified of the next awesome video that I'm going to be sharing. So please go check out that awesome playlist and hopefully you'll get some more tips and tricks to better your social media. Again, thanks so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.